Barak Yahweh, Barakatah, Yahweh Barak Yahweh, Barakatah, Yahweh Ba Hashem, Rakakwadash, double honors to the apostles, the elders, salutations to you, sincere brothers, teaching in truth and sincerity. Lesson will be entitled Three Birds, One Stone. Lord will you are edified. Again, three birds, one stone. Video will be used for fair use. Platform John Paul King backup. As you can see, grandma, 35, her daughter, 16, and her daughter's daughter, 1.
Yo, it's only one type of woman that would promote this type of behavior. It's black women. I'm sorry. Black women take pride in being ratchet, and they take pride in failing, and continuing the cycle of just the inability to, not create generational cycles of just trauma, right? And they embrace their trauma. No, I was that way. Let my daughter be that way. And I'm gonna say something, and y'all gonna get mad, but there's no doubt in my mind that the baby father is older than 18. I said it. And she's following after her mom, and her mom has enabled that type of behavior. It's disgusting.
This is sickening. Okay, this is sickening. Okay, according to my Google search, and the title actually goes back to the phrase kill two birds with one stone. Simply means solving two tasks at the same time or with one single action. So the phrase kill two birds with one stone simply means solving two tasks at the same time or with one single action. And again, the title for my lesson, Three Birds, One Stone. Three birds, one stone. The three birds, grandma, mother, and grandson. And the stone is what? Feminism. Okay, that is the stone, feminism. And the objective. Psalm 83:1. Keep not you silence, O power, hold not your peace, and be not still, O power. For lo, your enemies make a tumult, and they that hate you have lifted up the head. They have taken crafty counsel against your people, Israelites. And at this time frame, only the elect of Israel, and consulted against your hidden ones, Israelites. They have said, come and let us cut them off from being a nation, that the name of Israel may be no more in remembrance. And the key point, let us cut them off. Let us destroy them. Let us wipe out Israel as a nation. And Lamentations 2:15. All that pass by, these other nations, clap their hands. They're celebrating. at you. They hiss and wag their head at the daughter of Jerusalem as a nation, saying, is this the city that men call the perfection of beauty? And the reason why our nation is titled or classified as the perfection of beauty is because we're the only nation that received the laws, statutes, and the commandments. The joy of the whole earth. All your enemies have opened their mouth against you. They hiss and gnash the teeth. They say, we have swallowed her up. Certainly, this is the day that we look for. We have found, we have seen it. This is the day, okay? And we know that all of this fell upon us because we broke the laws, statutes, and the commandments. Check this out, verse 17. Yahweh has done that which he had devised. All right, so us going through the process of slavery, and being sold to the Edomites by the hand of the so-called Arabians, so-called Africans, and also Israelites, okay? This was the game plan of Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shah. So Yahweh has done that which he had devised. Going back into Deuteronomy 28, starting at the 16th verse. He has fulfilled his word that he had commanded in the days of old. He has thrown down what? Us as a nation, and has not pitied us as a nation, us going through what we're going through. But guess what? At this time frame, the Most High has shown us mercy. Okay, around 1969, 1970, giving Abba Bivens, okay, the Holy Spirit, to be a forerunner for Yahweh Shai in the Spirit. And trickling down from that time frame now, we have this truth. And he has caused your enemy to rejoice over you. He has set up the horn of your adversaries, the horn of our adversaries. Okay, going into the rulership of Esau, and these other nations are joint heirs with Esau. And the other nations, beginning with Esau, love this behavior. Meanwhile, their family system or family unit is intact. Okay? Let's go to Proverbs. Oh, Salakia. Let's go to Job 30:1. But now they that are younger than I have me in derision, right? The Edomites, okay? The Edomites mock us, okay? Because we're in their kingdom, and they're rejoicing because of this behavior, okay? I know you do it. Look at the grandma. Look at the mother. Look at the grandson, whose fathers I would have disdained to have sat with the dogs of my flock. And Esau is so based that our forefather Job said he did not want his dogs to have any contact with them. Okay, but the point is, but now they that are younger than I have me in derision. And again, this is an example. Hosea 4:6. My people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. And the only sector of Israelites that will understand is the elect at this time frame. Because you have rejected knowledge, I will also reject you, that you shall be no priest to me, seeing you have forgotten the law of your power, I will also forget your children. The point is, my people are destroyed for the lack of knowledge. Jeremiah 6:16. Thus said Yahweh, stand you in the ways and see and ask for the old paths, the true knowledge, going into the wisdom, okay, understanding of Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, and ultimately going into the laws. And we keep the laws to the best of our ability. Okay, at this time frame, it's all about having faith in Yahweh Shai. Stand you in the ways and see and ask for the old paths, where is the good way, and walk therein, and you shall find rest for your spirits. Okay, only the elect will be guided by Yahweh through Yahweh Shai, ministered by the angels. Okay, the Holy Spirit. But they said, we will not walk therein. Who? 2/3 of our people located in America and the non-elect outside of America. Titus 2 and 3. Similarly, teach the older women to live in a way that honors the Most High. They must not slander others or be heavy drinkers. Instead, they should teach others what is good. Verse 4, these older women must train the younger women to love their husbands and their children, to live wisely and be pure, to work in their homes, to do good, and to be submissive to their husbands. Then they will not bring shame on the word of the Most High. And you can bet your last dollar, grandma is not instructing her daughter still at this time frame. Lord, will you edify? Shalom.